Well guys, I'm back at the crossing. I'm in a little bit of pain because I kind of fell. But hey, we're not going to talk about that, alright guys? Figured I'd just come back to the crossing. I don't know, maybe go to the depot when I need to, like if it's raining or anything, but anyway, it's besides the point. I'll be quiet as this train gets closer. And unfortunately, I just got down here, so I have no news if it's a heritage unit or anything. I don't know anything right now. I didn't have any time to look at it, unfortunately. Could be a few minutes, but I usually start the video as soon as I hear it. It's kind of annoying. Probably a bunch of people skip through this part. I know I typically do. That's funny to say, because it's literally my own video, but hey, I like to get to the good juicy stuff, you know? Because see, that's really close, but it's also bouncing off of the building, so it's honestly hard to tell. Oh, shut up. I'm sorry, I know. I can hear you guys, you know. God, my arm stings. Not gonna lie, it has not come this early for a very long time. I don't know if you guys have been noticing the time or when the trains have been showing up, but we haven't had one that's come before 8 o'clock for a while. That's pretty close. out of DPU. Alright guys, that one came really early. I literally just got down here, so this is kind of a short video. I'm sorry guys. Well, okay, it's not a short video, it's like 9 minutes, but for me it's short because I just got down here like not even 10 minutes ago. So I guess I'm already heading back home. But yeah. Anyway, I may or may not have fell when I was coming down here. I got a little, just a few scrapes. I'm hurt my leg, back, and arm, but I should be fine. It was nothing too bad. But yeah, that was another Iowa Interstate chain with an NDPU. That's actually really cool. It's never been this early for a while, and it's also nice to see the trailing units, especially on the very end. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, evening, night, whenever you're deciding to watch this. Don't matter to me. See you guys in the next video.